There's a big drive in the data center industry to reduce both their energy costs and their carbon footprint, and they're looking at the impact that they're having on the environment. In terms of the battery, with lead acid technology, one of the key benefits is its recyclability, where over 95% of the lead acid battery technology can be recycled. So that offers the users a route that at end of life with this battery technology using lead acid, the battery essentially has an inherent value which can then be taken to the smelters and efficiently recycled. For other technologies, the recycling routes and avenues and the processes are not as mature, and it'll depend on the type of chemistry and technology. For instance, if we look at lithium today, depending on the technology, if we were looking at, say, a lithium iron phosphate battery, LFP, then there's not a great deal of inherent value in the iron. So there could be costs associated in the future in terms of recycling the product. For other technologies, for instance, nickel, magnesium, cobalt, NMC, because of the value of the nickel and the cobalt, then as processes become more efficient, then it will become more economical to recycle, to extract those materials. The other aspect we need to look at in terms of energy is when we use a battery. When the battery is in operation, having a battery that will deliver low energy consumption, for example when it's on float, will give a benefit. So there's a big advantage in using the advanced thin plate pure lead technology, which has a lower float current, so a low trickle charge float current compared to, say, a standard AGM battery. So that gives us a lower energy consumption while the battery is on float charge. In addition, the thin plate pure lead technology has very good round trip energy efficiency, so less loss of energy to heat when the battery is discharged and recharged. So we have much more efficiency in that recharge process compared to other lead acid technologies. Also, having a battery that can deliver long life but be operated at higher temperatures can give us big advantages, like we can with the thin plate pure lead technology, and in particular with our data safe XE technology. This enables the user to then turn off the air conditioning in the battery room and operate the battery at higher temperature and reduce their operational expenditure in terms of the cost of air conditioning.